Hello everyone, it's Miss Chelley and you're dancing with the Hello everyone, we're back with another exciting episode of Dancing with the Chef. We're here to bring you quick, easy, healthy, and affordable meals on a budget. We want you and your family to engage, to get up and try the meal ideals that we're doing, to get up and try the dances that we're going to present to you today. We have a fun one. We always tell you guys that if you don't try, there's no way you can manifest your highest vibe. So get up, enjoy, and thank you for tuning in. Ladies and gentlemen, we're bringing you a man of God. He serves in safety and security. He is a great humanitarian, and he's just an all-around great friend of the family. Please give it up for Scott Halm! Hi, Scott. Thank you for being on the show. Please have a seat.
I will.
Thank you for joining us today, Scott. So, Scott, how long have you kind of been focused? Is this your whole life that you've been focused on healthy eating, or this is more recent?
Yeah, more recent. You see, in January or February, I started working out more and started losing some much needed weight.
Okay.
And that also was a factor that helped me feel better.
Okay, was that like a doctor order, or that just something that came over you like, hey, if I don't get it together now? So was it like a kind of like
It was
doctor
a Scott order.
Wow, you hear that? You said it was a Scott order. So the other thing I want to talk to you about is, what is one of the, like, do you have like a special dish? Because when we first talked, you were kind of talking about some of the Alfredo noodles or something like that. So do you have like a special dish that you like to prepare, or, you know?
Oh yeah, I like
special?
to cook noodles and shrimp and fried broccoli all mixed together. And it really is delicious.
Okay.
And then obviously today I brought a salad, and I also brought asparagus, which is what we're going to be cooking.
Okay.
I'm going to show you how I prepare it properly and what spices I put on it.
Okay. Oh gosh, I'm excited. I'm nervous too because, okay, I have a confession.
Yes.
Can I make a confession?
Yeah.
So I'm not a big asparagus eater. So this is going to be a true test. You guys know, we always talk about, it doesn't matter if it's healthy, quick, easy, and affordable if it doesn't what? Taste good. So this is going to, no pressure on you, Scott, but I'm not a normal asparagus eater.
Well,
But
yes,
I'm going to be won over today.
you will.
Okay, I love this. So with that being said, he's already told us what he's going to make for us, and you guys know that we all like seeing is believing. So we're going to take a quick break, and then we'll come back and we'll be over there, not sizzling, we'll be marinating over there. Okay, thank you. Dancing with the Chef. Hello everyone, we're back Dancing with the Chef, and we have Scott here getting ready to work it out over here with the chopping board and the frying pan. So what is it that we're making again, Scott?
Asparagus salad. We're also going to have it mixed with cauliflower, tomatoes, carrots, and cucumbers.
Okay. All right, guys, here we go. So Scott, what do you need me to do?
Well,
Just kind of assist with?
yes, you can assist.
Okay.
So I'm going to start with the cauliflower.
Okay. Cauliflower is really good for us. You guys remember we had an episode where we did the potato-less salad where we had the cauliflower. All right, so we have our cauliflower already chopped up here, and these were all pre-washed. Scott made sure he told me that before we got started. Everything's been pre-washed because you guys know what era we're living in now. So now we're moving on to our carrots. And just so you guys at home know, he already has his skillet preheating for the asparagus as well. You are what you eat. So now we got my favorite, asparagus. Okay, Scott, here we go. What are we going to do with this asparagus?
So we're going to put it on here and we're going to grill it, and then later we're going to put some of that vegetable oil on it, and then we're going to put this chipotle powder on it and give it a little flavor.
Please let that chipotle powder help, because I'm nervous about the asparagus. We got to have the nutrition. Okay.
I'm going to put this on. Temperature turned up high.
I'm sorry, guys, but I've had asparagus and it's good. It's just, everybody's learning. That's why I said we have to try. Try. Okay, I'm trying to. So, Scott, you were adding some of the oil. Do you want to tell the people what oil you're using or what oil you like to use?
vegetable oil because it adds a little flavor to it. It helps to cook it better.
See, if he was in his space, he would have the brush and he'd be brushing it on there.
Like I'm painting the house.
Like he's painting the house?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. I think that looks good. I think that's perfect. And they're nice and soft with this whole texture thing. I think that's what it is with asparagus and me, like the whole texture.
Yes, and while I'm letting this sit, I'm going to cut up some cucumbers.
Okay. You guys know how I am about cucumbers. I love cucumbers. I've told you, if you don't know all the great effects of cucumbers and the health nutritional facts about the cucumbers, make sure you check out episode 1. Because I laid it on y'all. I told you all the great things about cucumbers. And especially during this time when it's still hot out. You need cucumbers. They're also great for dehydration. Okay, so Scott is going to lay out these beautiful cherry tomatoes. Adding even more color to this beautiful display here. All right, everyone, welcome back. We have another segment to our show, Dancing with the Chef. And you guys know, as we say at home, this is the moment of truth. It doesn't matter if it's quick, easy, healthy, and affordable if it doesn't taste good, okay? Right. So Scott, you're gonna walk me through this. So what do we do here? So we're just gonna kind of add our dressing. We put the asparagus on top. I don't know if you guys saw that. When we plated it, we put our asparagus on top. So we're ready to rock and roll here. I'm gonna wait, I think I'm gonna use ranch. What do we have? So they can just use any type of dressing, right? They can use any
Exactly,
anything you want. You can make your own. What about like a vinaigrette? They can have you try that too. So you can make like a vinaigrette, and that might work with it as well. So I'm not going to drown my food like we used to tell the babies back in the day. Don't drown your food. So, oh gosh, I'm nervous. You guys know what I'm nervous about.
Normal, please.
Okay, that means I have to do the asparagus too. Okay. But you know what? It actually adds a sense of freshness to it. I'm serious, guys. It actually makes it taste a lot more fresh, and it's really good.
It is.
It's really good. It's very fresh, and that's what I love. I love fresh. Let me do the asparagus one more time. And I really like it's like a grilled taste to it. Like it adds a grilled.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay, Scott, we're believing in you now. So now I'm a believer in this asparagus here. Ladies, they love a man who can cook in the kitchen. So now that we've marinated here, we're going to marinate on the dance floor.
Let's get it on.
No, he's saying that because we're going to be doing Mr. Sexy Man. Now we're over here ready to sizzle on the dance floor. We got Mr. Sexy Man Scott with his shades on. Come on. So we're going to just teach you guys just some quick basic line dance. It's a 4-wall dance. It's not my choreography. And it's called Mr. Sexy Man. Okay? Also, while you guys are getting ready, moving furniture out the way, we want to make sure that you guys are taking the time out to subscribe. Like what you've been seeing. We have several episodes out there. You guys have been telling us all these great things. We want you to like and subscribe. Put it out there, okay? Like, subscribe. Like, subscribe. All right. We're going to start off with the cha-cha-cha, okay? So it's going to be a cha-cha-cha, starting with the right, turn right, cha-cha-cha with the left, turn left. Let's do that.
Hey, Mr. Sexy Man. What your name is? What your name is? Hey, Mr. Sexy Man. What your name is? What your name is? I like the way you feel, babe, when you're up on me. Got my hormones jumping, I feel your energy.